BGCSE exam past paper of chemistry 2008. So let's begin. The first question is, when copper is heated in Bunsen flame, it forms a black solid. What is the name of this solid? Option A is copper oxide, B copper carbide, C copper hydroxide, D copper nitride. So we have to read this. When copper is heated with Bunsen burner in the presence of oxygen, then copper metal react with oxygen to form black copper oxide. Okay. So the answer of this question is A. Okay, copper oxide, because copper carbide in which carbon is present. So we have to react copper with carbon to form copper carbide, and for hydroxide we have to react copper with water to form copper hydroxide, and copper nitride we have to react copper with nitrogen to form copper nitride, and these three are not available here. Only copper burn heated in the presence of oxygen, so it form copper oxide. Okay. So next question is, which diagram represent a mixture of molecules of an element and the molecule of a compound. So let's study this. The only difference between a molecule of a compound and molecule of an element. See carefully, molecule of a compound and molecule of an element is that molecule of an element all the atoms are same. In molecule of an atom all the atoms are same, and in molecule of compound different types of atom are present. Okay, different types of element combine to form a compound, but if same kind of elements combine, then it form a molecule. For example, in a molecule of water, see molecule of water a compound, there is okay na, it is a compound. Water is a compound, not a molecule. There is one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atom, but in molecule of oxygen of an element, both the atom are oxygen. Okay, so if both same kinds of atom combine, then it form a molecule. If different kinds of atom elements combine, then it form a compounds. So the answer of the question is C. Here, uh, this C. Okay, the answer of the question is um, no, not C. Sorry, the answer of the question is B. Okay, how? Let's see. These are the same kind of molecule. Okay, the same kind of atom combined to form a molecule. Let's see this one too, this one. Okay, these are the molecules, and here are the compound, just like water, H2O. Okay, this is also a compound. Okay, so which diagram represent a mixture of molecule of an element and the molecule of a compound? So this is the mixture of an, okay, a molecule of an element and molecule of the compound. Here are the all the atoms freely, they are not combined. Here we can see only molecules of an element. Okay, these are the molecule of an element, and these are single atoms, they are not compounds. Okay, so this is also not true. And here this is a compound, but here it is not a molecule, it is just a single atom. So all threes are not true. This is the right choice, B. Okay, so let's study the next question. A student tests several solutions with universal indicator to see whether they were acidic, alkaline or neutral. The results are shown in the table. Solution कौन से हैं? The solutions are solution W, greenish blue color. Okay. Solution X, blue purple. Solution Y, pinkish red. solution Z, yellow red. So which solution is nearest to neutral? Okay, neutral. Okay, let's see. First, this pH range. If pH is lower than if pH is lower than 3, then the strong acid. The acid is strong and color will be red. If pH ranges from 3 to 6, it means acid is weak and color orange or yellow. Orange or yellow. If pH is 7, then the solution is neutral and the color will be green. If the solution pH is from 8 to 11, then the solution will be weak alkali. Its color will be blue. And if pH is lower lower than 11, sorry, greater than 11, if pH is greater than 11, the solution would be a strong alkali and color will be indigo or violet. So let's see on the our options. Here is a greenish blue. So let's see what is the greenish blue. Here is no greenish blue, but this is green. Okay, and this is blue. So it is close to neutral. Okay, greenish blue means it is very close to the, it is at the this line. Okay, at where do colors mix or attach each other. Okay, so greenish blue will be here. So this is close to the neutral. Okay, so blue purple, no, greenish blue, it will be the right choice. The option W, solution W. Okay, option B. So this is the right. Other are pinkish red and blue purple, yellow orange. There will be more acidic. Okay, they are blue purple or different colors. They are more acidic. So next question is, which one of these description is a physical change and not a chemical change? Okay, that's very easy. Which one of these is description is a physical change? Cast iron solidifies from a blast furnace. See, cast iron solidifying from a blast furnace. Blast furnace is a furnace in which we purify the iron. Okay, so cast iron solidifying from blast, यानी कि change in state. Here change in state take place. Change in state mean from liquid to solid. From liquid to solid. So it is a physical change. Okay, so I think this will be the answer. Study this. Change of state are physical change in matter. Okay, change of state are physical change, not a chemical change. They are reversible changes that do not change matter chemical makeup or chemical properties. Process involved in change of state includes melting, freezing, sublimation, deposition, condensation, and evaporation. These are all physical change and they are not the chemical change. Okay, so the next option is, I think this will be the answer. Burning petrol to form liquid water and carbon dioxide gas. So, combustion is a chemical process in which a substance react rapidly with oxygen and give off heat. When a hydrogen carbon based fuel like petrol burns, the exhaust include water, hydrogen plus oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is a chemical change. Then the third option is shining steel change to brown rust powder. Shining steel changing to brown rust powder. So rusting of steel is a chemical change because a new substance oxide is formed. Due to oxide layer, its color changes. The presence of oxygen and water or water vapor is essential for rusting. So this, rusting is also a chemical change. The last option is when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is and hydrogen gas. This is a chemical change. So all three are blue are chemical change, but first one is not a chemical change; it is a physical change. So this is the right answer. Hope you get the answers. If you have any question related to this, you can comment and ask me again. Okay, thank you.